MPWR stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether it's a buy or not for me. It's 32% down, which is absolutely astonishingly low, right? Like, obviously before that, I think I made videos on this. Oh no, yeah, it was right here. And obviously I was still quite bearish, but the only thing that I was really willing to do is short sell as long as the rules were met. Yeah, I mean, obviously I'm still not a big fan, but yeah, the idea is still to take things low as long as there is a shift. Potentially as long as the rules are met yet again. So all I will keep doing in the meantime is just obviously I'll keep waiting. Because why the heck would I even touch this on the bullish side unless there is a big catalyst or like some crazy shifts? I mean, as of right now, there's none of that I know, but if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one. There's a lot of sauce there, a lot of sauce.